Gorongosa is a legacy story. It's a humanitarian story. It'll move you in ways that I don't think you could possibly imagine.
It's just absolutely mind-blowing. You travel between these vast floodplains, then into fever tree forests, and then next moment you're in a palm tree forest, and the light, the open space, and just the untouchedness of it all is just very special.
Not a lot of people know about it, not a lot of people have been there. There's only 2 lodges on the entire reserve, which is massive, so exclusivity is key.
To experience something for the first time and almost be unbridled by expectations, not knowing what to expect, was a beautiful thing to me, and I think that just left it so open to hope and potential.
My favorite part was when we were rushing to get to this lake. We wanted to get there for sunset because we're told this is a great spot. And we jokingly said to the driver, don't stop even if we see a pangolin. And we stopped about 8 times on the way because there were so many different amazing things to see, and we just made the sunset in time.
The visit to Mount Gorongosa, walking up Mount Gorongosa into the forests, looking for the green-headed oriole, swimming in the waterfalls, particularly when you consider just a few years ago that that wasn't even possible.
The restoration project in Mozambique, and in Gorongosa in particular, is one that is incredibly powerful and is connecting on so many levels. I think it is going to be a case study for community upliftment, conservation, and ecotourism as a whole as we move forward into the future.
One of my favorite animals is the pangolin, and the pangolin project was just absolutely incredible to witness. What they do for the pangolin conservation to keep the numbers up is amazing. We got to spend some time with a pangolin and its tracker, and we actually took it out for it to forage some food, and it's incredible to see what they do with the pangolins.
Another very exciting one was just how well their wild dog populations are doing. They are thriving in the park. And we saw them on almost every game drive, which was very special.
We were super lucky because we were there when they were bringing in 2 leopards, and they were bringing them back into this environment where they apparently were very suitable. And to bring leopards back into this beautiful landscape is just incredible, and to be there and to witness that is just amazing.
The leopard is a keystone species, an animal that has ecological impacts far beyond its own footprint. And so many of the ecological pieces of the puzzle have been put back here in Gorongosa. More than 110,000 large animals now roam the landscape around us. But there has been one piece missing until today. This incredible predator, the ghost of Gorongosa, that has been missing from this landscape for so many years, is finally coming home.
I heard a quote recently which was, there's enough people in the world looking after people. There's only a handful of people looking after nature. And this is this handful of people that are looking after Gorongosa. They are doing a phenomenal job.
To see the transformation in the human beings there, the community rangers actively playing a part in this region's future. They're here and they're not just willing to be a part of the story, they're on the front lines. They're doing their patrols, they're getting out there, and just seeing the smiling faces and the clear care that they bring to that is something that really stuck with me.
I think it was just incredible to see that there's still wild places out there that no one even knows about or has seen or experienced. So it is life-changing and memorable because it's just so new and different and authentic.
Gorongosa could appeal to many people. If you like Big Five, if you like photographic safaris, if you like birding, if you like walking, if you like different flora and fauna, it literally has it all.
If you're looking for something very unique and authentic, a safari destination that's completely off the beaten path, this is your place to be. If you're looking for exclusivity, you're looking for something different, and you're just looking to be mind blown,
It almost feels like it is Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, South Africa, and Mozambique put into little one area. It's like a little Eden. And there's a little bit of every country, from really great game viewing to the scenery to the water.
This should definitely be on your bucket list because the trees of Gorongosa, the birds of Gorongosa, the animals of Gorongosa. I mean, I think on our last trip we spent 3 days in Gorongosa and we saw 126 species of birds.
I have no doubt that this is going to be one of the top safari destinations in a decade or so. So being able to see it now before it really gets that popular would be very special.
I think you can expect an emotional experience. I think you can expect to feel so deeply connected to a place that you're likely to be changed forever. I think that you can also expect to be proud of how your travel is making a difference.